The use of the MultiPoint swing door locking hardware provides added security to your Kolbe door. On a single door, this offers 2 more locking points in addition to your deadbolt lock. To engage your MultiPoint locking system, make sure the door is in the closed position and lift the door handle upward. You'll hear a quick click as the MultiPoint latches are engaged. To complete the locking process, throw the deadbolt lock. You'll notice now that the handle is in the neutral position and the door is solidly locked. Note that the deadbolt cannot be thrown until the MultiPoint system is engaged first. To unlock the door, simply reverse the steps. Begin by unlocking the deadbolt. Next, push down the door handle to disengage the additional latches. Your door is now unlocked and ready for normal operation. To learn more about this and other Kolbe products, please visit our website at kolbewindows.com.